So hey there, greetings everyone. It's Storylands. So I didn't upload any video summaries since few months. Uh, I didn't forget my YouTube channel, but I had some really like final exams of my degree, so I couldn't upload any videos on the channel. Guess you might understand how the pressure will be in the final year. Uh, yeah, and now I am graduated, like Bachelor of Commerce. Let's leave it aside. With a new video summary, of course, it's a love story. Sorry, You're Not My Type by Sudeep Nagarkar. It has a very cute little story. Do watch full video because you would love to listen. Let's dive into the story then. The story starts with two best friends meeting at the restaurant, who were Aditya and Sakshi. Sakshi had arranged for a party in a restaurant. She had a big cake waiting for Aditya, but Aditya didn't talk to her for some time, as he was somewhat spellbound by the singer's voice, who was singing in the restaurant. Then they met the singer and got to know that he was one of the singer from famous band of Delhi, which was Vayu. The name is kinda good, right? And his name was Vikrant. Then he started telling about his story, like how they were and band members and everything about his life and his band life. So now the real story starts. Everyone in the restaurant were faced towards Vikrant to listen his story. Story starts with Anamika joining the band with Yuvi and Vikrant, all studied in Rajhans College from extracurricular quota. Then they get selected for the college band and they went on a trip to celebrate this. As they go on the trip, of course, they are adults, they consume alcohol, and in the drowsiness, they start discussing about their life. Anamika and Vikrant get to know that UV was committed, uh, and Vikrant had crush on a girl he used to see in the metro. Anamika was single and she was scared of ragging in the college. Literally, I didn't see any seniors ragging me though, because knowledge or intelligence can get you anything. See, I was bit of a type of a nerdy guy, and I love to solve accountancy and stuff. And many people have backlogs in degree. Uh, so I had this point as my advantage, and no one was ragging me. You can try this. Let's leave it aside. They decide their band name as Vayu, which was Vikrant, Anamika, UV. First letter of their name. UV drops them to the metro, and there Vikrant sees the same girl he told about. Metro girl. This happens. We see some people and get instant crush, and we couldn't tell them. Let's leave it aside. Now the story goes to a rich brat who was breaking up with a girl named Shania. He was Anurag and the student union president. He used to do anything if his ego gets hurted. As Shania didn't like parties, like main reason was not that, like he had lost interest in her and he wanted to sleep with Anamika, the same girl of Vayu band. So he broke up with Shania, and really, bro, if I was there, I was you, then I would marry her instead of breaking up with her. Haha, jokes aside, I don't have a girlfriend. Um, Now the love story starts of Yui and Kashish. Kashish was the same girl he was in relationship with. He had relationship with. Kashish was a decent girl. Yui was in deep love with her. As the relationship was of 4 years. What 4 years, guys? 4 years. It's a very long time for some love. And they were very much attracted to each other. One day when Vikrant and Aditya were roaming, uh, they met Kashish in market. Now UV wanted to celebrate anniversary, so Vikrant left, and those two went to UV's house as UV was living alone, and Kashish convinced her parents that she was staying at her friend's house, and then what happens is all you know. Like nowadays, these couples go to Oyo rooms and they just don't go to home as parents will be at home, and Oyo rooms are much better for those kind of things. I guess I don't know. I don't have any experience in that. Next story is when Anamika and Anurag start dating. She told Yuvi that they must go on a joint date, and they go on one. They go to movie, and in movie, Yuvi starts kissing Kashish. Man, this guy is on hate. Anurag tries but gets rejected. Haha. Then Yuvi dropped Kashish to her home, and Anamika and Anurag to their to Anurag's place. They both, Anurag and Anamika, started to drink. Tried to force Anamika to sleep with him, but she told that she is breaking up with him. That's the right. And she left. One day they had concert and Yuvi was smoking weed. He asked Vikrant to try some. Both smoked, but Vikrant lost control and he just went from the concert. So the concert got cancelled because they didn't have the main drummist. Vikrant was so high that he followed the girl in the metro to her home, but also couldn't talk to her. He's like me, guys. No, guys. I didn't follow any girls, by the way. Like I couldn't talk. Like I can't talk in front of girls. Is what I meant. Final concert of Vayu band. Vikrant and Anamika were talking, and Yuvi was kissing Kashish. Yes, kissing Kashish, as he believed it would bring them good luck. What a weird thinking, man. The song was awesome as people were shouting and the song was played in buses, trains. But after some time, the electric guitar was stopped and judges told that they were disqualified. This work was done by Anurag, who wanted to take revenge on Anamika as she broke up with him. Yuvi was angry and he went home. By this, Vayu band disbanded. Anamika and Vikrant were in metro and they saw the same girl who Vikrant loved. When Vikrant told Anamika about her, Anamika was shocked as she was none other than Shania. Same girl, same college but senior, and also ex-girlfriend of Anurag. Which she's the same girl we saw at the first, with whom Anurag was breaking up with for Anamika. Vikrant proposes her right away and she didn't accept. But eventually she accepted his proposal as she too had feelings for him. Final part to go, guys. Vikrant made a trip plan to patch up Yuvi and Anamika's relationship. Not relationship, but relation. Okay? Like they are not boyfriend girlfriend. Friendship. Friends relation. But who knew this would ruin whole life of Anamika? You guys might get very emotional at this point. Yuvi and Anamika were talking in the resort, and Vikrant and Shania were near the beach as the lovebirds. And at night, they start drinking, but Anamika left early as she had headache, or she told that she had. Then Shania started questioning to Yuvi like who he was attracted to other than his GF, and here Yuvi confesses that he was attracted to Anamika and he wanted to sleep with her. Why, guys? Everyone wants her and everyone wants to sleep with her. What's the problem? Man, these guys. After that, Yuvi left too, and when Vikrant and Shania went to check on Anamika, they didn't find her. They called her, but she didn't receive, so they ran to police and lodged her missing report. As they were scared of Anurag, they received call in the morning from police and they told to come to the hospital. So they went to the hospital. There they saw Anamika who was unconscious and had bruises all over her body. Or let me say, she was raped. Like, yes, she was raped. and she was unconscious. By this scene, Vikrant started crying as she was their only friend. By looking at this, Yuvi felt guilty and told to Vikrant that what she is today was done by Yuvi himself. Like story goes like that day when Anamika went early, she went to beach. After some time, Yuvi comes there too. At this time, Yuvi was very high and they start talking. They were talking in the middle. Yuvi tells that about his desire of sleeping with Anamika. Then he started forcing her, but she resisted. She was screaming for help, but the beach had no people. This is what happens, guys, in some abandoned places like no people, and these things happen. No one's there to help you, and you are only by yourself. So learn karate, guys. No one can do anything for you, I guess. It's both for boys and girls. Like, it's not like only girls get raped or boys don't get raped. Nowadays, boys are also getting raped. It's a different topic. Let's make another video for that. If you want to hear, then do comment. Like no, then she got unconscious after screaming for so many like for some time she got unconscious because of that stress, and then he raped her and told that she can sleep with Anurag but why not him, and something like that. And as he was high, he told something else. But when they were, and then he left, like he left her there like half naked in the unconscious state. What the fuck, man? She is your friend. But when they were called to the ward, police was interrogating her like what had happened, but she didn't tell Yuvi's name. She told that she was high and someone pushed her from behind, so she couldn't see the face. She was sent to rehabilitation center as she had consumed more alcohol. When she didn't say about Yuvi, now he became more guilty and went out. After some time, Anurag gets to know about Anamika as he had changed now because of their breakup. Now he was having true feelings for Anamika. So he went to rehabilitation center and took good care of her. Kashish gets to know all the things and done by the UV. So she tells him that I thought our relationship would last longer, but no, I can't imagine my daughter in hands of a guy who treats girls like sex toy. Sorry, you're not my type. I was like, that's what you get if that's what you did. Is that's what you did is right, Kashish, in my mind, of course. Haha. By this, UV got broke, so he went to police and confessed his crime. He was sentenced to death penalty. After few months, when Anamika's family asks her why she didn't tell UV's name, she tells that she loved him at first sight. But he was in serious relationship with Kashish, so she backed off. And boom, that's the end of the story. Like you might have some questions like what is this story about? Storylines. In the story, there are many things like try, you will succeed. Don't see bold girls as slut. They are not. They are not. They just love to be themselves, right? Like nowadays we objectify every other bold girls. We judge them by their looks, like she slept with him or something like that. It's their life, guys. So please stay away from that. Geo or Gine though, right? We also see tender love, and also love doesn't happen between two bodies but two souls. You must understand it. Let's meet in the next story. Until then, sayonara, guys. So yeah, I read a comment on one video that told do a summary in Kannada. So I'm working on it. I'm trying to convert English text to Kannada, so it gets easy for some people to understand. I will try it in one video and see the response. If the response was good, if many people liked it, then definitely I will make a channel, or I will upload videos of Kannada summary in this same channel. So please guys, if you like the summary, do subscribe. Do subscribe my channel and do share with your friends. Nowadays it's very hard to read the books, guys. You know, just listen to the summary and you will get the story. Isn't it nice? So then why are waiting? Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.